The throttle position sensor indicates how much the throttle is open. At high speed no load, the TPS is commonly less than 15%. An engine running at 3600 RPM with nothing connected to the crankshaft may require no more than 5% TPS. Minimal throttle opening is required to run the engine at high speed. Maximum throttle opening is required to achieve max power output. Some Kohler EFI engines are equipped with a throttle stop pin. This stop pin limits throttle opening to about 60% TPS. Engines not equipped with a throttle stop pin should be able to reach 100% TPS. If a TPS fault is suspected, minimum and maximum TPS should be confirmed using the Kohler Diagnostic system. Max TPS is being confirmed on this engine by running it out of fuel. TPS can be seen at 100%, confirming the governor and speed control are functioning properly. Minimum TPS should be 0 to 2%. While closing the throttle on this engine, the TPS is seen at 0%. If minimum or maximum TPS seen is incorrect, this indicates a likely throttle position sensor fault. Minimum or maximum TPS percentage that does not match actual throttle plate position will result in poor run quality and usually overly rich exhaust.